Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can prepare a list of files that is stored in your laptop or desktop. First thing, what is the requirement of this kind of things? The requirement is once you meet your friend and he asks for how many movies that stored in your laptop or desktop. So in that case, you just tell him a few titles that you recently is seen and that's it. But by this method you can prepare the list of all the movies that stored in your laptop or desktop with a simple commands. So let's start with it. So just open a command prompt with administrator rights. So it my I have Windows 8, so just right click on the corner start bar and command prompt administrative rights, then press yes. So here is our command window. Now for example, I have to prepare I stored all the data in G drive. Suppose your movie is in the G drive, let's for example. So just go for the G drive. So just type G and colon. So now you are in the G drive. Now we have simple command. If you want to prepare a list in a form of text file, then you have to just write down this command attrib /s space /d and the greater than sign and list.txt. So it will prepare a list of file in a text format. And if you want to prepare an advanced type of format with like Excel file, so the command will be somewhat different, not much different, but you just have to change the extension at the last of that command. So I will show you both. So first I will try this one. So it's a attrib space /s/d and I have to remove this one. Okay, just see that attrib space /s space /d, then greater than sign and list dot text, and just press the enter. So here it's working. You can see that command prompt attrib space /s/d is now working. Now you can see that it's just completed. So I am going browse to the G drive. So here there, this is the list.txt file. It's it's having a size of 7 MB, so I have lots of data in this drive. So you can see all the files with their path. You can see that I have different wallpapers, different wallpapers, that flags, that togo.jf. So I will have the file name as well as its full path, right? So this is in a form of a text file. If suppose I want to prepare a Excel file, then just I have to remove txt with xls and press enter. So here you can see that it's just prepared Excel file. So it's easy to having a Excel file. It's in read only mode. Okay, yes. So now you have all the files with path, but it is all the file. But if you want to prepare a list of only movies that have been in form of mkv, so just put star dot mkv at this location. So now our command will be attrib space /s space /d space star dot mkv. So it include all the mkv file that have been stored in the this drive will be listed. All other files are not listed in the same list. Okay, I just override that file. So look, found not. I don't have any mkv file in that, but I have a flv file and mp4 file. So I can just write down mp4 over here. So it will prepare a list of only mp4 file that have been stored in software videos. So let's just check out. So here is my list file. So you can see that it will listed all the files, and it is also from the G videos folder. So now you can have different varieties of preparing list. If you want to prepare a list of Excel file, then just attribute space as you have to just provide any format at this location after star dot and before this greater than. So I hope it will be helpful to you, and thanks once again. If you like and if you want to improve your knowledge by this kind of things, just subscribe my channel. Thank you.